Imagine this, a staggering £239.3 million. That's the total amount of authorized push payment, or APP fraud, in just the first half of 2023. It's a figure that's as shocking as it is heartbreaking. Yet, there is a silver lining. £152.8 million was returned to victims of these scams, a testament to the commitment of some banks in addressing this issue. APP fraud is a nefarious scheme where customers are duped into authorizing a payment to an account under a criminal's control. It's a growing concern, but steps are being taken. The Payment Systems Regulator, or PSR, is introducing mandatory reimbursement for victims of APP scams. Banks will be obligated to follow these rules, offering another layer of protection for their customers. If you're a victim of fraud and your bank isn't helping, remember, you have the right to push for assistance. After all, the security of your money is paramount, and you should expect your account to be safe. So when choosing a savings account, it might be worth considering banks with a robust reimbursement policy. Now here's a list of banks with the highest fraud rates. At the top of the list is TSB. In 2022, TSB lost £348 per 1 million to fraud. However, they fully reimbursed customers in 94% of cases. Next is Santander. They lost £322 per 1 million to fraud and fully reimbursed 54% of fraud cases. Third is Metrobank, with losses of £280 per 1 million to fraud. They fully reimbursed 59% of their fraud cases. Fourth is Starling. They lost £307 per 1 million to fraud and fully reimbursed 44% of their cases. Finally, Monzo. They lost £277 for every 1 million put into the bank to fraud and fully reimbursed only 6% of their cases. In conclusion, while the figures of APP fraud might be alarming, remember that progress is being made. With the PSR's new mandatory reimbursement rules set to be introduced later in 2024, there is hope for even better fraud protection. It's a reminder that while the fight against fraud is ongoing, it's a fight we're committed to winning.